Welcome to Nuan Farm And Resort!
Nano babo kabalen, kamusta kayo po? Ako'y Luis Season ng Pampanga. Abe ko rin buong pamilya ako, so abe kay Joy, Luis, tsaka Isa. Hindi po nga daw ngayon ni at so kami kay Nuan Farm And Resort. Mag-overnight kami po. Today, we're gonna have a weekend getaway kening Nuan Farm And Resort. Abayan nyo kami po. So yung binyeda kaya katamo guys is in lang Villa number 4 at yung 2 rooms. Kaya pong first level na is at yung kaya yung master bedroom which is ayan o, ayan yung kahit tama okay, but at yung tamo mo naman sariling comfort room. Kaya rin guys, kaya same level na at yung living room. Ayan, pansinan nyo ting sofa at yung sariling TV set. Okay, but kaya yung gulot tamo atin yung malaking kitchen, ayan. Atin yung sink, atin yung microwave oven, atin yung sariling stove, atin yung mo naman refrigerator. And then, dining table for this. Let's go upstairs. Lawin tayo naman yung karelang second level na. Actually, ining villa ngayon it's really kind, well-designed. No, kasanting ding accents na, makanyan. And then from here, yan o. Tinta mong bala mong indoor balcony. Yan o. So this is their bala mo dorm type na room. Yan o. Something na. Get in! The room has 4 beds. Bala mo kaila rin ni double deck beds. Ayan o. One from here, one from here. Kening lugar ay ni. Atin niya mo naman veranda. Hello! Welcome to Nuan Farm And Resort. Check out our view. Okay, the gang is complete. Yan, manayos kami yung pog yan Igawan mi lumal kami. Okay, but kita balam makuyad na tour. Lamin tayong lugar. Nanulari tayo amenities Kenny. Lumipot tamo mo. Let's go, Luis! Let's go, Luis! So, in Nuan Farm And Resort. Yung ibig sabihin ng Nuan is blessed. King Kapampangan apin nitayong blessed Nuan. So atin yung adong function hall, yung aslag at saka yung itang Nuan function hall talaga. Nung nuka rin may umpisa mo yan. Kagulo na. So atin mo naman Amyam Garden apin ninyo. Nung nuka rin pwede dang gawan itang outdoor events like wow, yan. Actually, yan. Numantun ko yung place for an outdoor event at Chuya Kenny. Okay, but pwede din gamitan din yung gazebo nga rin. Punta Kenny naman bandang gulot na ning farm. Atin lang kay Amanuan na family deluxe sa data. Okay, but atin yung deluxe room 1, deluxe room 2. At luyang bala mo kwarto. Pero Chuya kay metong unit, bala mo bale. Makanyan. Kasi tingnan na nita, yung buong lugar ay ni guys, yan. Pwede may gamitan. For, like for example, mag-dinner or any other activities mga yan. Hi, Shin! Hi, Isa! Actually, masanding yapin kay pag like for example, prenup o kaya timo debut, itang pictorials mo yan.
7th birthday, 50th birthday,
Yeah.
60th birthday.
Hanggang itang kay pang 100th birthday mo malyari ka rin. So yung villa mi guys, apin nito. Villa 3 and 4 at yung kami kitang 4. Yan, apin nitang building ay ito.
Will you get
Pay
me
for
a
the villa.
pay for the villa?
Hello guys, night swimming. Night swimming, baby. Wish, wish.
Hi, guys.
Wish, wish, night swimming. Huy!
Ano mo sila? Galit mo sila?
Galit, galit.
Galit.
Baby, galit. So this is how it looks like during the night, na. Ito po yung villa namin. Ito, there's our villa. There's our villa, villa number 4. And this is how it looks like during the night. Yaman, ne? Ito. Luis. Oh, malikot na bata.
Lagi nakaganyan.
Oh, galit mo daw sila, galit, galit, galit.
Ay, oo. Oh, where's Kobe naman? Si Kobe, anong
Where
talo
is
ni
Kobe
Kobe?
now? Where is Kobe now?
Kobe, ayan. Ano? Bagay ni Kobe. Oh. Ayan. Gusto na niya mag-explore. O, di. Siya naman. There's Chin Chin and Isa.